Is a Caravan 1300, they do have you on site.
Okay, we're looking for him, Teacher Echo.
And Boeing Tower, Sky 21745 with the final approach to fix full stop.
Cessna 21745, Boeing Tower, runway 32 left, clear to land.
32 left, clear to land, 745.
Copy 9 Delta Juliet, first out.
Helicopter 9 Delta Juliet, spot 8, clear to land.
Clear to land, spot 8, 9 Delta Juliet.
Cessna 1 Echo Kilo, traffic ahead to your left, turning southbound towards the, making a right turn towards the north is a twin Cessna 1,500 feet indicated. Twin Cessna 2 Charlie Echoes, traffic 2 miles off the departure ends a helicopter 700 feet indicated headed towards downtown. The Cessna traffic passing east of you, no factor.
Okay, looking to Charlie Echo.
Timor 65 traffic, 11 to 10 o'clock and 1.5 miles headed eastbound now, typing on 1,900 feet indicated. Timor 65 there, moving from your 10 to your 9 o'clock at about a mile, 1,900 feet indicated. Additional traffic, 11 o'clock and 1.5 miles southbound, typing on 1,100 feet indicated.
Boeing Tower, Skyward 19 Echo Charlie is holding short of 32 left at Alpha 9, ready to depart IFR.
Cessna 19 Echo Charlie, Boeing Tower, hold short, runway 32 left at Alpha 9, awaiting IFR.
You want to hold that one? You can hold it.
19 Echo Charlie.
Boeing Tower, helicopter 300 Juliet, Mike, spot 8, bus barn departures with whiskey.
Helicopter 300 Juliet, Mike, Boeing Tower, hold position for company traffic inbound.
Hold position 300 Juliet, Mike.
Cessna 9 Echo Charlie, runway 32 left at Alpha 9, clear for takeoff. Traffic on a 2-mile funnels, another Cessna, no delay, please.
19 Echo Charlie, clear for takeoff, 32 left, no delay. And
2 miles, well, man.
Helicopter correct.
Cessna 9 Echo Charlie, the helicopter is going to be landing on the Bravo taxiway just west of you, no factor.
19 Echo Charlie, thanks.
Boeing Tower, Cessna 678 Mike, could you confirm if it's 32 left or 32 right?
Cessna 78 Mike, you're going to expect runway 32 right.
Just to confirm, that's a left downwind for 78 Mike.
Cessna 78 Mike, let's amend that instructions, cross over midfield, enter the right downwind for runway 32 right.
Crossover midfield and then right downwind for 32 right, 78 Mike.
Timor 65, there's additional traffic, 11 to 12 o'clock in 1 mile opposite direction, typing on 1,500 feet indicated. Timor 65, Boeing Tower traffic, 11 o'clock, less than a mile, opposite direction, 1,400 feet indicated. Timor 65, thanks, and your frequency change is approved, recommended 120.4 today. Have a great flight. Cessna 2 Charlie Echoes, traffic ahead to your right, headed eastbound, typing on 1,400 feet indicated.
Inside 2 Charlie Echo. Boeing Tower, just to confirm, 78 Mike's going to cross over midfield at 1,000 or 700?
Boeing Tower,
Boeing 9 Echo Charlie.
Outside of Dwayne, top request to high speed
Departure 19 Echo Charlie.
Boeing 258, your number 2 following a Cessna, that's very short final, runway 32 left, clear to land, and the high-speed taxi is approved.
Clear to land, 32 left, high speed taxi approved, Boeing 258.
Boeing Tower, Station 187, Charlie Romeo, holding short, 32 left, ready to go in sequence.
And who was ready for departure on 120.6?
Almost can make
27
that.
Charlie Romeo, we're holding short, 32 left at Alpha 11.
Citation 187, Charlie Romeo, Boeing Tower, thanks, hold short, runway 32 left at Alpha 11, just awaiting IFR release and landing traffic.
Hold short, 32 left, Alpha 11, 7 Charlie Romeo.
Cessna 745, turn right, Alpha 10, ground point 9er.
Alpha 10, ground point 9745.
Cessna 78 Mike, you can do the 700 as you cross over midfield and continue back up to 1,000 on the downwind.
Crossing at 700 and continuing and climbing to 1,000 after on downwind, Cessna 63.
It was a
And ground sky 21745 Alpha 10 for modern aviation.
Cessna 21745, Boeing, turn left, taxi to modern via Alpha.
And turn left on Alpha for modern 745. Alright, little man.
It was a BBJ. See that huge plane on the very back?
Yeah?
That's a Boeing business jet. There's a Beechcraft here.
Cool, man. This is all the... This is it right here. All these planes here are the Expo.
I wonder if that's Cirrus's tail. Or maybe all... a Vision jet.
Nice.
An Eclipse jet.
Nice.
A Diamond DA-42.
They brought it.
That's a 42.
Oh, yeah, they only brought the 42.
But that's okay.
Oh, here's their new one. Over here. Diamond. I think that's the 62 maybe.
Honest. I don't know. Because I've seen that plane in a long time. Oh yeah, that's the 62.
Nice, man.
And that's the Lear jet. That's small, tiny one. I think it's like a Lear jet 42 or something.
Yeah.
It's some number in the 40s. But it says BBJ on the back. I think it's a BBJ Max 7. There's a Honda jet. There's the Dassaults in the hangar.
Yeah.
There's some TBMs right there. Wait, see Boeing business jet. That's a Boeing business jet. That huge one.
Yeah.
Boeing Ground Rescue 241 at Bravo 4. Request that.
And there is TBM 940.
Rescue 241.
Ooh.
Took a mirror flight.
Holding position, Rescue 241.
Oh. Are we gonna be one of the people that are able to, or one of the planes that are able to be looked at?
I mean, are they going to look at our plane?
That's the M600. M500 or M600.
Okay, you want to cut that off? That's okay.